In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll know how to make a new folder in your Google Drive right from within a spreadsheet and move your file into it, so everything stays tidy and easy to find. To begin, open your web browser and head to the Google homepage. In the top right corner, click the small grid icon, sometimes called the Google Apps menu. From that menu, choose Sheets. You can also go directly to Google Sheets if that's faster for you. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account so the folder ends up in the right drive. When the Sheets home screen opens, select the spreadsheet you want to organize. If you're starting from a blank spreadsheet, that works too. With the document open, look near the file name at the top of the page for a small folder icon. This is the Move button. Click it to open the Move dialog. Think of this dialog as your quick window into Google Drive, where all your files and folders actually live. In the Move dialog, click All Locations. This expands your view so you can browse your drive instead of just recent or suggested places. Now click My Drive to place the spreadsheet in your personal drive space. You'll see your existing folders here, but if you need a new one, that's exactly what we're going to create. Look to the lower left corner of the dialog and click New Folder. A small box appears asking for a folder name. Type a clear, descriptive name that will make sense later. Something like a project title and a date works well. Consider a consistent naming convention so related files sort together, for example adding a prefix or using YYYMM formatting. When you're happy with the name, click Create. The dialog will jump into that new folder so it becomes the active destination. With the new folder selected, click Move. Your spreadsheet is now relocated into that folder in My Drive. This action moves the file rather than creating a copy, so you'll still be working on the same document, just in a better spot. If you collaborate with others, your existing sharing settings stay the same. To confirm everything, click View in Drive. This opens Google Drive and highlights the new folder with your spreadsheet inside. From here, you can add more files to the folder later or color-code it for quick recognition. And that's it. Simple, clean, and organized, all without leaving Google Sheets.